everyone, I am going to show you how to submit an entry on your student side of Class Dojo. The first thing you need to do is click into Class Dojo and get on the student side. If you don't have the information to get onto your student's dojo, that can be provided through a QR code or a link from your student's teacher. Once you are in, you will see a box directly under the student's avatar that tells the name of the class that the student is in. In that box, there will be a check mark. If the check mark is blue, it means that the teacher has pushed out an activity on Class Dojo. The check mark may be gray, which just means that the activity hasn't been pushed out on Dojo, and the students will be able to add their own entry. So we're going to click that blue check mark, and at the very top is the to-do list. That is where, if your teacher has pushed out an assignment, that assignment will show up there. If there's not an assignment there, don't worry. All you have to do is click the blue circle with the plus sign in it. Since there is an activity here, I will click that. To the left of the activity, there's a camera which tells you that this assignment's format is going to be a photo. So I'm going to click on the sample activity, and when I do, a dialog box pops up with the instructions of the assignment. It says post a photo and say hi. So I'll click start, take a picture, and click the check mark at the top. This is the part where you would say hi if the instructions told you to, or you can click the button at the bottom and record yourself saying hi. It gives the students a countdown, so that way they are prepared to record. When the students are done recording, click the pause button at the bottom. And I always tell my students just to click the check mark in the top right corner until it goes away and they see a paper airplane, and click it one more time. When the students get back to their screen and see their completed work, it'll still say pending, but that way you know that the student has completed their work, and at this point the teacher will get on their side and accept the work. And that's all there is to it.